record of experience for John Padden. Grew up with just his grandmother.
With those low kicks, it doesn't take very many to make them uncomfortable, but right there, coming back with his own, and you can see how bad John Padden wants to land that right hand. He just swims in with it, trying to put it on Guy Chon's chin.
Guy Chon has got such a similar style to my son.
cái gì hay là cái còn gì hay là cái đây nào cái thì là tại là position này nào cái thay nhảy này bộ đó bộ cái nhau bộ lên lên nào vậy nào cái thay nhảy bậc mầm đã lên này bậc rìa đã ở vậy bậc nhau bộ thôi là lúc sẽ phải xịt này nhảy là nào vậy milim đã lấy cái thôi là dưa là nào cái dưa cái milim đã lấy chập pay à nào chập pay nào vậy nè cái vậy thôi ra nhảy cô lên lên nào cái bậc lên qua con nào vậy nào vậy đi xuyên này cái đêm đã nào nhau phố rồi về nào cái nhau phố lo nào cái vậy cái chôn cái bậc lên nào
From the blue corner, Guy Chon!
cái vậy cái nhau phố thôi lên ra để chơi nhau
Guy Chon making his debut here on one Friday fights. He's got a record of 40-10. That's an 80% win rate. 2-year-old. He's currently serving as a corporal in the Thai military. He's from the same camp as my son comes, so you can expect them to have a similar style. And if it's any style like my son come, Brian, he is gonna come out furious with those fists of fire.
Exactly that beautiful punching game. Although he is a Muay Thai technical stylist by trade, he can also throw those hands. This is his first time in the small gloves in this 3-round rule set. So we will get to see very early on how he adapts, what sort of strategy he'll use. He knows that his opponent has a great right hand, and he said that he's going to elect to use head movement for his defense. So a little bit unorthodox. A lot of fighters will use the guard or just eat the shot on their forearm and come back with the hand. But he said he's going to try to move his head a little bit. He knows that his speed and his accuracy is his advantage, so he doesn't need to rush the beginning here. He can lay back a little, collect a little information in the first round, and then put that to use in the second and the third.
Wants to get that knockout, wants to get that bonus so that he can support his family from the hill tribes of the north of Thailand. Guy Chon enters the One Lumpini ring to make his debut here on One Friday Fights.
From the red corner, John Padden!
Super excited for the debut of John Padden. Got the fan base here that's followed him here. So busy on the circuit before COVID. Had to take 3 years off. Now has found newfound power in his hands. He's got 3 straight back-to-back wins, all KOs from his fist. That's why they call him a Muay Thai fighter, which basically translates to a fist fighter.
Until this point on this card, we've had a ton of technical Muay Thai style fighters, so it's great to see here he brings the aggression and the power with all of his weapons, that Muay Thai, that Muay Boo style. He told us he knows that he needs to utilize the low kicks in this fight. He too wants to strike first, but he's not going to rush. He's going to take some time in that first round to feel his opponent out and see what weapons land and which weapons that he needs to select to go into the second and the third round. But with 80 fights experience, we know that he's going to have a very experience to fall back on here no matter what happens in this fight.
John Padden. Just that one Lumpini ring for the first time, looking for his first victory.
Now, we have three 3-minute rounds of a 122-pound Muay Thai contest. Introducing first, out of the blue corner, training out of 3rd Army Area Boxing with a fight record of 40-10 and an 80% win rate. Representing Thailand, Guy And introducing opponent, out of the red corner, training out of New Pranburi with a fight record of 60-20 and a 75% win rate. Representing Thailand, Jom Pandey.
จับพัดดีชั่วโมงจับพัดดีจับพัดดีเดี๋ยว
ก็เต็มที่นะหยุดสั่งแยก
มันไม่จับพัดดี
Kêu đi giờ đi. Đâu vừa.
พัดดีแล้วไก่ชนหลังมาอายุอันแรกที่เลย
Only the best of the best in the world are invited to World Championship, the world's largest stage of martial arts, representing the pinnacle of fighting. And here we see two debutants that are willing to put it all on the line. Everything that they have done in their life so far has led to this moment.
Right off the bat, two big exchanges. These fighters are going to be looking to get some respect from their opponent. Say, I've got some powerful weapons. Make them take their time and worry about those big kicks and punches.
Aggression from John Padden. Nice double jab there to close the distance. So much experience for John Padden. Grew up with just his grandmother. Had to fend for himself since a young age. Muay Thai has been the means, the sole means for him to support himself and his family.
John Padden looking there with a little switch step. Get close, but we know what he's really looking for, and it's a place for that right hand. He'll use the low kicks to try to soften Guy Chona, but he wants to put that right hand right on his chin. Nice little hook there. And then a 1-2 back from John Padden.
You see there, John Padden, these two swing for the fences. They felt each other's power, they both connected. John Padden told us he does not want to rush. He will seek the KO. And if this is not rushing the first round, I don't know what is, Brian, because these two have got to a lightning fast start.
John Padden is already doing a good job with those low kicks. You know, it doesn't take very many to make them uncomfortable, but right there, coming back with his own, and you can see how bad John Padden wants to land that right hand. He just swims in with it, trying to put it on Guy Chona's chin.
Guy Chona has got such a similar style to my Sankam. The way that he just lowers his center of gravity, digs his feet into the canvas, and just unloads with bangers for shots. John Padden is finding it difficult to find a rhythm here. Takes shots, but he is showing an impressive chin so far.
Huge combination there. Chona against the ropes. Great punching ability. He also demonstrated great balance when his kick was caught earlier. He's got to watch out for this big right hand from John Padden.
It's been a back and forth back to the end of the bell here on the first round. And John Padden was taking power shots from Guy Chona, but just getting the eye contact there at the end of the round, right? He let him know that he's going to have to do a lot more if he wants to get him, John Padden, out there. Yeah.
John Padden was throwing in the first round. I hope we can see some more of that here in the second.
Rotu Kichete Che. Quarter of that.
One Friday Fights is the
Ready, ready.
global platform in search of the next global superstar.
Ready, wait.
John is tasting victory here as he unloads, but he cannot underestimate John Pandit. John Pandit has got a wealth of experience. He's been in these situations before.
Neither of these guys taking a moment to rest or assess their opponent. They're just getting right in there, working the clinch, letting the shots go. I like to see a little bit more use of the jab. This is a dangerous game. It's almost 50-50. And hooks. Gaichon doing a good job of tying his opponent up here, though, creating an opportunity for some ease as well.
Oh, that body shot, Brian, is just money every time Gaichon opens up with that body. With that left. The right is there. You see the catch of the kick, but even catching the kick, Brian, that must definitely help.
Gaichon once again demonstrating great balance, using his shin to shield as soon as the clinch there. John Pandit sweeping his leg and balancing his opponent. It's a good tactic there for John Pandit. It looks like these guys are going to spend some more time in the clinch here. And what we're going to see is using the arm to swing across, push the head back to create some room. We'll see elbows and knees in that position.
Seems to be just being Gaichon to the punch, getting the first strike in the exchange, but the will it be too much for John Pandit to handle? Will the pressure accumulate from Gaichon? Will John Pandit well to that pressure?
To this point where there's so many exchanges, not only will it come down to durability and mental toughness, but conditioning. We may see who the better conditioned fighter is because someone's volume may fall off or their pressure may fall off. You've still got 55 seconds left on the second round, and really, when the action is this high, that's nearly an eternity.
It's the techniques, it's the sequences that are forcing them to the clinch. John Pandit is happy just to connect with shots and get to the clinch because he knows he has to avoid the power punches of Gaichon. Gaichon just consistently seeks for that KO finish.
You can see Gaichon's stance. His legs are spreading apart a little bit farther. He really wants to let the hands go. It's going to take away some of the ease with his kicks. He wants to do it with the hands nicely. It's really looking like he's starting to feel some of these blows.
Big shot taken from John Pandit. Starting to put the pressure there in the second round. 22-year-old former Thai military showing his toughness and grit. The experience of John Pandit able to keep him in this match so far. Not count him out. There you see the combinations unloading.
Great work here. Gaichon going down to the body and then back upstairs. Deep in his stance. He wants to exchange with the hands. There's a nice left. John Pandit gets his head up the line with the right hand. If that thing would have landed, it could have been lights out. John Pandit tying his chin, trying to hit shots in the forehead rather than on the chin. But Gaichon really breaking away there at the end of that round a little bit.
Third and final round, one Friday Fights. Entry-level platform in search of rising talent who can be future world champions. John Pandit and Gaichon have got their eye on the prize. They believe they were young, training Muay Thai, that they deserve to be champions. With performances like this so far, this has been a crazy back and forth brand. Champion mentality for both of these fighters so far.
There's that beautiful balance again from Gaichon, balancing on one leg as the kick is caught. I think he's starting to find his range and his distance and the weapons that are working for this fight. Ooh, beautiful left hook. Ties John Pandit with the jab again. John Pandit doing a good job of
so yalo
breathing room. It's getting completely smothered. Okay, Sean. John Padet stick to the game plan. Keep connecting. Be the first to connect. Every time they collide, I still have a chance to run away with this victory. But Guy Chon definitely been the aggressor out of the two.
Doing a great job of picking his timing. There he throws the lead left hook into the right straight. A great way to close the gap. He's mixing in some body shots as well. When they get into this position, he's locking up, holding tight position. Not too worried about scoring points because this is the distance that he wants to be at.
He responded with a nice three-punch combination. Wrestle to the floor. Stood up here to try and knock each other out. Pulling John Padet to the canvas, letting him know that he's the stronger of the two. He's the fitter of the two. He wants this more than anything.
That conditioning that we spoke about earlier is really starting to come into play. John Padet's got 30 seconds to make something big happen. He's going to need a bit of a Hail Mary at this point because Guy Chon is really found his comfort zone. And then he gets that clinch position, takes away the punch from John Padet. They break apart. He's back to the spot where he can let his hands go.
These two warriors have got toe-to-toe. Looks like they're going to go to the final bell. You can't count them out. Especially Guy Chon. Goes fists. Ending the third round. Neither fighter able to break the will of the other. Such a high-level Muay Thai fight. Take us through the replay here, Brian.
Guy Chon using that head movement that he talked about to slip his head off the jab, stepping in with the right hand, throwing those body shots. And that's a great way to sap the conditioning of your opponent. And he didn't just throw one punch. He didn't even throw just two. He threw his punches in combinations and bunches, even if the first one didn't land. And made effective use as the jab as well. Is a great display of punching in the little gloves here from Guy Chon.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of battle, we turn now to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges have called this contest in favor of your winner by unanimous decision.
Guy Chon.
Edging out the victory.
Nó có nè giá trên nào cái nhau phun lâu rồi cả âm gì là cho ba đê cho đê mẹ cho tỏ đê chữ nhau mà chữ nhau bên này đưa là bố sao là bắp thà đó cái nhau bên này ba thì
lên mi bằng nhau chưa cho ba đi rồi
cho phạt đê
đa phạt đê à mi ba phụ mà cái ở đây cái chôn này mà cho được pin này là nó cái cho được pin này cái đó nhá cái nhau bố thua lúa xếp xí này là bữa đó đi nào vậy này cái gì bao lâu ta nào cái nhau bố nào cái vậy này cái đó tem mi
đó tem Willy
đó cái này bằng xì ba bỏ qua đó bỏ qua đây đó là lấy đầu mua là to cái peace